All right, guys, welcome back to the Shade Tree Garage. And again, still working on this door. But let me, now this, I'm going to record this for my own memory. I'm going to record this for own memory. In the event I get another 55 or Tri-5 sedan, and I want to take the door glass and all this apart. All right, guys, well, I have replaced the regulator and all the hardware in this door, except with the exception of the wing vent regulator. I was able to rehab it successfully. Now, the problem I had was I put the regulator in first, along with the horizontal track that attaches to the bottom of the window. All right, so with the wing vent loose, let me turn it this way. With the wing vent unattached, but in the door, and I mean, I had it not really all the way down in the door. I slid the glass through the opening. All right, now it went down, and at the bottom of the metal track, you have the mounts where that metal fixture. You have the mounts. Well, let me show you a little show and tell here. All right, guys. This is the track the window glass goes in. All right, so now once you get the glass down inside the door, you have to attach 2 Phillips screws there and 2 here. All right, now the problem I had was that the track was already on the regulator rollers. All right, already in the door. When I dropped the glass down in here, these, well, this little bracket, this is what the track goes in. This little bracket, both of them on both sides, went down below the level of this track, below the bottom of the regulator. And so all I had to do was lift the glass and raise it up, and then these brackets would line up with this track, and I could attach them, right? Well, easier said than done. Tonto, I could not raise the glass and get the bottom of the and get this section of it above where the track was already on the rollers on the regulator. I could not get this back up above it. And so I struggled, and I had my wife grab the glass and then pull on it while I tried to work the bottom of the glass down below that track on the regulator. There just wasn't enough clearance in the door to have the two pass each other. Now, at the time, I had this wing vent not bolted in. I had it in place, right, just like this, because this vertical is one half of the channel that the window glass rides in. So I had it in place. Well, I struggled with trying to get the glass above the window regulator, the bottom of the window regulator, to get that track mounted. Well, and what I eventually had to do, I had to remove the wing vent, or at least get it up out of the door so there was the side of the glass was no longer engaged in the track on the wing vent. That gave me enough forward and backward play to be able to get the window, the bottom of the window track above the roller track, and then I could line up the screws and finish the assembly. So just remember, if you're trying to get the two parts to mate, the bottom of the window glass and that roller on your regulator, pull this up out of the way, and it'll give you enough room to make that happen. All right? Note to self, don't screw up like this again. I've been struggling with this off and on all afternoon. Anyway, but it's in place now. And I have the bottom of the wing vent. The nut is on here. It's loose. I don't have any screws up here at the top yet, but I'll finish that tomorrow. And I've got to cut the fuzzy track up here because it's a little too long. Now, once I got out here, one thing I had to do, I had to press the fuzzy track down that's in that track that goes down the inside of the door. I had to take a mallet and a hammer handle and tap that in to make sure it would sit flush and that it wouldn't cause this window to bind going up and down. It may still bind a little bit, but I'm pretty happy with it. It'll ride up with wear. As they used to say on Are You Being Served? All right, guys. Well, that's tomorrow will be the day I put the finishing touches on this wing vent and cut off my fuzzy track and call this project done for now. And you know, on a car like this, are you ever really done? I don't want to talk about that. That's a topic of another day. All right, thanks. And I'll be back soon with another video. And hopefully I can quit working on this damn door. Jeez. See you again soon here in the Shade Tree Garage.